Okay, so we've been talking about our target market and how to determine that through market segmentation by looking at the demographics, geographics, psychographics, and also the benefits. So now we're going to demonstrate our knowledge of using market segmentation to create a TV reality show. You can choose teams or you can work alone. I will not accept it if there are more than 3 people in a team. You can message or email people using Schoology to gather up the people that you'd like to work with. The first thing you're going to need to do is brainstorm. So we know that there's reality TV shows like American Idol and Survivor, Amazing Race, Honey Boo Boo, for example. I don't want you to use any of these. I want you to come up with your own reality TV show, what you think would sell. But it's going to be what you think would sell to your given target audience. So here we're going to look at some different types of target audiences. Maybe it's children 6 years of age and older, or tweens, teens, college groups, single 20s. Maybe you're looking at families 40 and up, those people that are adventurous, sports enthusiasts, or active. Maybe it's traveling, whatever you want to do, but you need to identify your target audience and break that down based on, the segmentations that we've learned. You need to choose the theme of your show. Like here I showed American Ninja Warrior. It's important to delegate the workload if you're working with other people. I gave you an example here if you are working with 3 people. So one person might do the introduction slides and create those. One person might do all the details, and one person maybe the conclusion slides. You'll be working together using Google Slides. This way you can work simultaneously, and you guys could, add your images and whatnot all at the same time. There's a rubric that you'll find in the student files. Please follow the rubric and understand what is expected of you. You need to have the details of the show. It needs to be well thought out. The audience, you need to think about that and be able to visualize the audience that's going to be watching the show. Include your target market and break it down by segmentation. Do not just say any or all people would like this show. Compelling reasons to view the show. You need to clearly communicate your thought because you are pitching your idea to the network. You need to have images on all of your slides, words only on the title of each slide. So I don't want to have a bunch of words on there. You need to understand what it is that you're selling. The title slide will have the name of the reality show and all of the team members' names on that title slide. You're going to save and share. In this case, you're going to upload your project. So you're going to save it as the name of the show that you guys have chosen, and then you will upload your project to Schoology. For presentations, each member must be present on the slides that they create. They must present the ones. So the best thing for you to do is use like your cell phones to present that slide, or you can use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using right now. You're going to pitch your idea to the NBC network so that it can be televised. You need to use enthusiasm and eye contact in order for the network to want to buy your reality TV show. Persuade us to buy into this idea, know the show, and persuade us. Why is it a good idea? And keep in mind, who is your target audience? The timeline, you have 3 days to work. So the first day you should choose your teams, brainstorm, and choose the show that you would like to create. Identify your target market, delegate the workload, and begin working. And then on day 3, finish the presentation and upload it to Schoology. Obviously, the tools that you're going to need here would be to be fun and creative mindset. You need to make it enthusiastic so that people are going to want to buy the show. You're going to need to use the internet, computer, Google Slides. Screencast-O-Matic is a downloadable free tool that allows you to show your presentation, and you can just record your voice over it like I'm doing right now. You could also use a cell phone if you're recording without Screencast-O-Matic, and then just send all the pieces to like the leader or one person in your team, have them edit it, put it together, and upload. All right, so we are ready to start. Be sure to check your rubric under the student files.